Hey guys, it's Alec with Southern Trailer. Today I want to talk about a pretty neat little trailer. It's the SH model from Load Trail. This is going to be mainly designed for your scissor lifts, your small dingoes, something like that, where it's easy to maneuver. It's only 12 feet long, but it has a heavier 7,000-pound axle. Alright, so one nice feature of this is a tilt deck trailer, so you don't have to mess with any ramps, anything like that. You will have a hydraulic cylinder in the front. So that can be adjusted. You can dampen the flow of pressure. That way you could either lock it up, control it down slow to where you're not getting slamming as you drive that machine up. It's very convenient. You got small neighborhoods, anything like that. You're not taking up a ton of space and you can still maneuver. So this will have a steel deck, and you do have some expanded metal on it to give you that traction. Now, as usual, this is protected by the Load Trail 322 warranty. It's going to have 3-year structure, 2-year hydraulic, and 2-year roadside assistance. So come down. We got it at 850 South River Road. Ask for Alec.